Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Namuhla ngifisa sike sikhuluma udaba likaJabulani Khumalo. Sireportile ngodaba lakhe ebika ukuthi uzoya enkantolo. Sareporta ngesinqumo esithathwe inkantolo. Kodwa futhi kwavela indaba zoJabulani Khumalo usebuyile kumkhonto wesizwe party. Sizokhuluma ke lelo daba kule video manje ngoba kunezinto efuneka sizikhulume noma singazi kwenzakalani kodwa fanele lezi zinto sizikhulume. Okokuqala, uJabulani Khumalo ufike ku-Biz News wathi ngoLwesibili la ngomhla ka-17 kuJune 2025 bazobe besenkantolo. Ngizomcaphuna ke esho ukuthi bebeyokwenzana enkantolo.
The case that is coming up on Tuesday is the case that I think we should have done it long ago due to the ongoing craziness of certain individuals who wants to take over the NPC of the party, which we registered in 2023, I'm sorry, before we even announced the MK, which was announced on the 16th of December, 2023. We registered the NPC, the non-profit organization, with the three members, which is myself, Mr. Gasa, Mr. Masilela. We agreed that we will then look for other members that will be part of the directors of the organization. We registered, and then in January, we identify one more member, which is Mr. Lebohang Moepe. We added him into the party, into the directorship. Then we moved on, we opened the account and everything. To our surprise, that last year around August, September, some crazy people just decided that they will invade the registration of the NPC in the CIPRO. They even used their pins to register and to remove us as the original director of the NPC of Umkhonto weSizwe party.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi kucace kubantu ukuthi icase ebingenile ngoLwesibili lapha enkantolo beyingakhulumi ngomkhonto wesizwe ipolitical party kodwa beyikhuluma ngomkhonto wesizwe non-profit organization ebizwa nge-NPC. Indaba ekhulunywe lapha yayidaba lwe-NPC okuyi non-profit organization yomkhonto wesizwe party. So lezi zinto lezi izinto ezimbili ezehlukene. Ngifisa ukuthi sikehlukanisa lokho. Izinto ezimbili ezehlukene. Former chief whip womkhonto wesizwe party okumzwane leManyi ubhale kanjena ke uthi just because iNPC inegama lomkhonto wesizwe eCIPC lokho akuyenzi ipolitical party. Kodwa kunjenge foundation not political formation. Lento esho baba umzwane leManyi la ifakazela lento esho uKhumalo lapho ukuthi lena i-non-profit organization yomkhonto wesizwe. Uthi ke mayiqhubeka umkhonto wesizwe osemthethweni oyi-political party lo registile ne-IEC. So uthi abantu bangabe misled. Wayesethi #know the difference. Lingenile ke icala ngoLwesibili lahlala. Ngizocaphuna nje okumbala okushiwo ecaleni ebese sikhuluma ngakho ngoba kufuza nje sikhulume nje ngodaba likaKhumalo bese siyadlula kulo.
This as his attempt to urgently challenge what he alleges was his unlawful removal, along with others as the directors of the MK Party NPC. He later, however, did a U-turn before the court upon learning that there was a restoration of his name as a director, which raised the question of abuse of process.
My Lord, there's no abuse of court process. Really? My Lord, let me just address you. Let me just address you, my Lord. My Lord, there were attempts to remove the applicants. This is on the papers. There were efforts to resolve the unlawful removals. Efforts which resulted in resolutions, and later on there were then again fraudulent attempts by Duduzane Zuma and others to remove the applicants. This culminated in now the application having to be launched to deal with the status that changes, keeps on changing, doesn't change. That they had to come to court. It's not an abuse of process.
Le certificate osibona la ku screen sakho sivela kwi CIPC somkhonto wesizwe party NPC. Umuntu obenza lento Olvin Thulani Gordon Mahlangu. Angimazi ke ukuthi uyini. Then mawubheka la phansi ibhalile la ukuthi the following change was effected to directors. Babhalile kama director ukuthi uMalisela ukhona, uMoela usekhona kunanguquko. Mufukeng ukhona, director Jabulani Khumalo, new appointment. Shuthi naye ukhona kodwa usanda kubekwa. So oKhumalo bangabantu abayenkantolo bengabhekanga ukuthi iCIPC isima kanjani yona. Ingakho ke inkantolo isithi lento le yenzakalayo sekuyi abuse of court process. Ngoba phela lento befuneka bayibheke bathi igama lakhe selikhona kwilokuzane kule certificate seCIPC. Manje ke ingakho asizwe ukuthi o defender umkhonto sizwe phathu ku-advocate Dali Mpofu utheni yena.
The point, my lord, is that really, let me just summarize it like this. The cumulative effect of all these factors, my lord, is such that your lordship has no option but to send a message not just to these litigants but to other litigants out there that the courts, A, are not here as some political playground, and secondly, cannot be abused in this manner. Even this morning, my lord, the abuses that have gone, this court has been overly patient, having to adjourn twice for a simple outcome which should have been a withdrawal of the matter and at least a tender of costs.
As a result, the court withdrew the matter and slapped Khumalo with a punitive costs order.
Ngesikhathi ekhuluma u-advocate Dali Mpofu ukubekile ukuthi uKhumalo uthi this is an urgent matter. Ayikho into urgent la futhi nalo certificate isibuye ngomhla ka12 icala lingenike ngomhla ka17. So i-timing kaKhumalo njengoba ethele ludaba lu-urgent matter ukuthi uyabona ukuthi alukho uzinzo kumkhonto wesizwe party. So yithuba elihle leli lokuthi agadle. Iyona nje into ebenza ukuthi akaphuthume enkantolo afika athi licala li-urgent ngoba ebona ukuthi njengoba lingekho uzinzo kumkhonto wesizwe party kunalezi xakaxaka esikhona lapha. Uma ke engene ngalelo nxeba uzokwazi ukuthi enze lento afuna ukuyenza. Ngoba phela ngesingaye ufuna umkhonto wesizwe party ubuyele kuye. Aphinde yena abe in charge. Ekulumeni yakhe ke abe nayo neBiz News. Ukhumalo uphinde bambiza futhi ukuthi akazokhuluma phela igama lakhe seliyavela ke kuNPC ukuthi liphi igxatha azolithatha ukusuka manje ukuya phambili. Ukhulume kanjena ke yena.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to come and explain to the people and to the country that what has happened yesterday. What transpired was SAPC pushed a narrative that we lost the case. What surprises me is that SAPC never talked to us, but they were part of the court proceedings. But instead of them telling the country or the world the truth, they went and said something, maybe in their understanding. That's what they put on their news. But this is what has happened. We applied to the court. We did an urgent application because we had too much of problems with these people that are thugs that tries to get into the organization fraudulently. And I must stress this, that in the MK party, those people that they claim to be leaders, most of them, they like forgery. They like to do things the wrong way. I think they need to be taught a lesson. That's what we were teaching. We were teaching them yesterday. We went to court, and then we were accepted to have an urgent hearing on our application, which was sitting yesterday. We went to court yesterday. to show the world that these people are thugs. They are forgeries. They forge everything they want to do. They want to do it in a dark way. So when we go to the court, at the same time we had the application with the CIPC, we lodged our case at their, what we call them, they call themselves, but they're ones that are dealing with all the complaints. So we were waiting for them to tell us what is the next step. Whilst we were waiting, they decided that when they went and said, they decided that no, it was wrong for us to be removed from the NPC. So they reinstated us, and I was not aware of that. So when we were in court, that's when we found out that we have been reinstated. Because we didn't have the information at hand, we then asked one of our comrades to check if we are indeed reinstated into the system. We found out that we are reinstated. Then we alerted the senior counsel that this is what we're getting. Can you be able to deal with it? He said, no, we need to tell the judge that this is the situation. That's where the whole thing started.
Njengoba umuzwa ke uKhumalo uchaza nalento ebengiyisho ukuthi bathole bona sebefika enkantolo ngoba ngokwabo basuke beye enkantolo beyobika ukuthi igama lakhe alisekho lisusiwe lapha ya kwafaka amagama abanye abantu. Kodwa uma njoba ilo yilo isitifiketi lesi sibuye ngomhla ka-12 mase sakathola ukuthi no igama lakhe is reappointed lapha ya as director ye-NPC. So ke uKhumalo usethatha lapha ukuthi ngoba igama lakhe liyavela usayiphethe ke i-MK Party. Ingakho uMzwanele Manyi ebhala ukuthi i-MK Party as i-political party iregister ne-IEC. Kodwa i-NPC okuyi-foundation noma i-non-profit organization iregister ne-CIPC. Into ezimbili lezi. Usho njalo uthe abantu abawazi umehluko. Ngicabanga ukuthi asisekho isidingo sokuqhubeka noKhumalo mase ngifike la ngoba sengikuchazile okuyikona okwenzekayo. Okunye nokunye sesingakulalela sekuwukuthi nje silalele yena kodwa sengicanga ukuthi udaba likaKhumalo okwamanje silehlukanisile. Siyazi ukuthi akagive uphile. Mhlambe kusazoya enkantolo eyolwela ukuthi ukususwa kwakhe kuyi-political party beku-unlawful bekune-forgery nazo zonke lezi zinto lezo. Mhlawumbe usazothatha lelo gxathu asimazi. Kodwa nje okwamanje nje befuna ngehlukanisa ukuthi okuyikona okwenzeka enkantolo. Le video ngiyenza ngoba kunabantu abebedidekile ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Ngabe uKhumalo inkantolo imthe akabuye back usekumkhonto wesizwe party as a political party. Cha. iKhumalo akakafiki leso sigaba. Into ekhona nje uKhumalo uthola ukuthi igama lakhe libuyele ku-NPC ngoba vele yayiregistrwe yibo okuyi non-profit organization.
But the court said, no. On the certificate, it says you were restored on 11, meaning on the 12th, you should have received the certificate. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. So because of that, the court said you need to pay costs because the other parties came to court, and because of that, you have to bear the cost. Then also, he advised us that we must then withdraw the case because what we were seeking, we had already got. So now the other party then asked the court for punitive costs, of which they got it, which is not a problem. As much as it's not our problem, but we can't say the court was wrong.
Olalela inkulumo kaKhumalo ekuqaleni usuzwa njengoba manje ekhuluma okwenzeka enkantolo izithi enkantolo lento iphume isinqumo esiphume ngomhla ka-11 ngomhla ka-12 bese sesi-available bona bagijima beze enkantolo bengayicheckanga la information ngalokho nje. So lento abebezoyifuna icase ayiwithdrawe abakhokhe ngisho indleko. Iliphi iphutha elenziwe yi-SABC? njengoba etheni SABC bikhona enkantolo. Kodwa iliphi iphutha elenziwe SABC ngoba SABC shilo ukuthi uKhumalo icourt withdrawal case yakhe yayisithi akakhokhi indleko. Iliphi ke case? Kodwa into esho advocate uDali Mpofu uthe inkantolo ufuna ikubeke kucace futhi yenza umzekelo ngoKhumalo ukuthi inkantolo akuyona indawo yokulwa imidlalo ezepolitiki. Yokuthi abantu mabefuna ukuzolala imidlalo yabo nokulwa izimpi zabo zezepolitiki bese begijima beyenkantolo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ilento ebiyenzeka lapha ya enkantolo ngokwami nje ukucabanga ngazi. Bengithi nje ngikuhlukanisela udaba likaKhumalo ngoba ngibona ukuthi kukhona abantu abadidekile. Kodwa ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.